Some people instantly start cleaning when they're stressed. Others can't even bring themselves to look at a messy room. Strangely, both reactions begin in the same part of the brain, and the reason is more fascinating than you'd think. Loving to organize was never really about neatness. It's about control. When life feels chaotic, your brain starts hunting for something, anything, predictable. Straightening up becomes a way to create order outside when everything inside feels like a mess. Had a rough day? Suddenly, reorganizing a junk drawer feels weirdly satisfying. That's not a coincidence. Your brain is trying to steady itself. There's real science behind this. Finishing even a tiny task, making your bed, wiping down a counter, triggers a small dopamine hit, that little nice, done feeling. A tidy space can also lower cortisol, your stress hormone. Even more interesting, your brain keeps processing visible clutter in the background, which can make it feel mentally overloaded. So that lighter mood after cleaning, that's your brain finally getting a chance to breathe. But there's a deeper layer too. Your subconscious reads your surroundings as a kind of safety signal. Clutter quietly says, unfinished business, over and over. For people who feel things intensely, that quiet nagging can turn into real mental noise. So they're not cleaning to impress anyone. They're doing it to feel calm and safe. For others, organizing is more like self-expression. Their home becomes a canvas. How the books are arranged, where the plants sit, how a room is laid out, it's art. Just in 3 dimensions. And for many people, the rhythm of sorting or sweeping works almost like meditation. It grounds them without asking them to sit still. Then there's the emotional side. Organizing often means letting go. Every item you get rid of, old clothes, a broken gadget, or a gift you never used, is a small way of saying, I don't need this piece of me anymore. That's part of why decluttering can feel surprisingly emotional, even bring tears. You're rewriting a little bit of your story through your things. Your space often mirrors your mind. A tidy room says, I've got this. A cluttered one whispers, I'm overwhelmed. Cleaning becomes a way to gently shift that inner voice, changing the outside to influence the inside. Because organizing was never just about the objects, it's about deciding, this stays, this matters, this can go. Every shelf is a small snapshot of how you want to feel, clear, calm, and in control. So next time you notice yourself feeling better after tidying up, don't brush it off. That's real self-care happening in real time. Your body, mind, and mood working together. Sometimes the first thing you organize isn't your room, it's your mind. The room just follows. Does this sound like you? Tell me what organizing does for you in the comments, and subscribe if you want more everyday psychology broken down simply.